Welcome back to the assignments and assignment maps. Here we go. It took us 1 minute and 26 seconds. We've, as you see, created maps from assignment 1 through assignment 5. We've also created a task form for each one, and we did export a GPS file. So let's take a look and see what we've created in that 1.5 minutes. So in my MapSAR training incident in the products folder, here's everything we just created. So we've got the task assignment forms, the maps, and the KMZ file. We also have the map that we printed out earlier, which was our briefing map. And there's a special task assignment template in here. You don't need to open that up, but these particular FDF files are using the task template for formatting. So let's open up the first map. Again, we chose to print all these into PDF format rather than going straight to the printer. It enables them to be moved around quickly and easily. You can put them on a memory stick and have somebody else go print them for you, or you can produce duplicate copies at a later date. So this is a very small assignment that we had right here, but here it is, Team 1, and the little yellow shows their assignment. The incident is the search for Joe Bloggs. This is assignment number 1, Team 1. If they have a radio call sign, we'll fill that in. Communications and emergency information. And here's our assignment information. We just put shout and whistle along the trail. For our operation period, we didn't have weather or safety message filled in for this one. We'll update our operation periods in a minute, and we'll put some of this information in. Some of the keys for the map, we have UTM on the right and along the bottom. We have lat long along the top and along the left. There's your team logo, which will be your team logo, which is selectable in incident. We'll print right here. You have the declination, the coordinate system and datum that it's printed in, and a map scale right here. Let's take a look at some of the other assignment maps. Here you can see clearly the yellow, and the labels are optional. We don't need to print the labels on these either. Another assignment map. Now this one obviously isn't fitting on the page correctly, so I would need to go ahead and print this one at a different scale, so we could just select the one assignment number 5, and change the scale for that, or just orient the page differently. We could use a different template and print this one out portrait. In fact, while we're looking at the others, let's do that and reprint number 5. So we'll change the template. Make sure I'm in the right incident. I mean, maps are training correct. Let's just choose a team assignment map. Let's choose portrait. The destination folder. I'm going to use a single assignment number 5. And I don't need to recreate the task form because that's not going to change. I don't need to recreate this either because that's not going to change. So I'll hit OK on that. So while that's running there, we'll take a look at these task assignment forms. So here's task assignment form 2, for instance. If I open that up, it's going to launch with Adobe. My machine's a little slow because it's creating a map in the background while I'm trying to do this at the same time. Now here's very important. You're going to get a security risk dialog at the top here from Adobe. This is asking if you want to trust the task assignment template document, which you really need to, and you need to trust the FDFs. So in the options, just do always trust this document. It will then populate the data, which you see. So here's the folks that we have on this team. So we have team 2, and it's the search for Joe Bloggs, the date and time prepared, the assignment number, information and instructions about it, transportation if we had put that in, team members associated with this team. If we had included the personal equipment or the team equipment, that would be in here. The crew call sign, all these different information that you can fill in through the assignment and through the operational period. If you had put in who it was prepared by and who the planning officer was and the briefing officer, it'll populate all that information as well. So now you can just print these right out and you have a task assignment form 2, which goes right along with your task map 2, which is this map right here, which shows that assignment that we built. Let's take a look at, we're done with number 5. It's overwritten number 5. So let's take a look at it. Now we've just turned number 5 from landscape to portrait and see if it fits a bit better. Still not quite fitting, but you can see that we have changed it now to a portrait format. We're either going to need to change the scale of this map and print it at an unfriendly field scale, or even better would just be to choose another template and better print it on a bigger printer. So that's as easy as it is to create team assignments. Use this Make Map button. Once you've got your assignments made, you just fill in the information, click OK, and as you saw, within a minute and a half, we had 5 assignments created with task assignment forms.